Hello everyone, my name is Joshua. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create or make moving images just as this one you're seeing now. You can use these as backgrounds in your videos. They can also be used as backgrounds in lyric videos, in storytelling and many other fields. I'm going to be using a free software VSDC video editor. Let's go into it now. I go straight to my blank project. I give it a project title, call it Panorama. Then I click finish. So now I want to reduce my screen size. I go straight to the bottom right there where you see the cursor. I reduce the size of that screen. Then I go to my image icon. I select my image and click open. That comes up, I just click OK. My image is right there. So I turn on my grid. Want to enlarge this to fit the screen. Just hold and drag. I think that will fit. Yeah. Let me reduce it a little so I ensure that my image covers the screen. So now I want to hold these borders back to the image and drag it there, whereby the image covers the screen. So now I go to my image right there, as you see where the cursor is. I click that. So now this movement icon is now highlighted. So I click that and click OK. So you see that small square box. You just click that and hold. Then drag. You see that small line. You want to align it where the image ends. Up to there, it's okay. So I go to my point settings. I change the path start point to yes. That's okay. So now if I go back to the scene and give it a play, you see now the movement is on, the image is moving. But I want to show you the final output, so I go to my export project right there. Just double click this to show you how the video will turn out to be, as you're seeing right there. That is the way the video is going to be like, with that moving image. Well, let me move it again. You see, yeah. Go back to my editor. So now just delete this and show you another. Delete. Just right click and delete. So now we go to our image icon again and import another image, probably that one. So just double click and maybe from scene begin, then click OK. So this is our image right here. So I'm going to be cropping this image. I go to my crop tool right there up, click that. Then now this is the cropping screen. So now I just hold and drag to the portion where I want. Just want the part of the mountain and small bit of the lake, as you see there. Yeah, just right there. That will do. So I click OK. Now the effect is on. So I'm going to be expanding this to fit the screen. I hold and drag. I think it's still small, so let me increase it a little more. Yeah, I think that will do. So now I reduce, ensure put these on the borders of the image. Yeah, ensure the image covers the screen properly, like right there. Now I go to my image right here down, click that, go back to my movement icon, then I click OK. Then now I hold that small square, hold drag, but ensure that dotted rectangle aligns with my image well, like up to there. Should not exceed my screen. So I go to point settings again, change the path, start point to yes. That will do. Go back to scene. So now give it a play, you see it. So I go to export project so that you see the final video that will come out of that. See that? That's the final that will come out of that. So now go back to my editor screen. It seems this image was moving too fast. You can still reduce its speed so that it moves slow. So I come here, double click that, go tap my movement icon, go back to that small square right there, click it, go to the properties window right there, time frame. You want to increase that time frame to a higher time frame, probably 600. So now it will move slower. So we go back to my scene. So now let me just go straight to export project so that you see the final outcome. Now you see the video is playing slower, the image is moving slower than the first time. You can increase that time frame to a higher one so that it even moves slower than this that you're seeing now. So we are done with all that. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.